So I bought myself a little present for Black Friday, because that's the time to do it. I bought myself this little bad boy. This is the NIKKOR 50 to 250 DX 4.5 to 6.3 aperture, that is. And I want to share today another photo walk I'm going to do, because this is the first time I bring this lens with me. I just want to share my experience with this lens today, together with you, my viewer. It's been a while, I know. I had some private stuff to do lately. I went on a vacation to France. You might see that in my posts. I didn't bring my camera with me because I forgot it. Can you imagine? And I bought something else. I bought these two things before. I bought this lens. Oh, by the way, this does not come with the lens. So this sun cap you have to buy separately. All the things you see in this video I will link down below. So I bought this separately, and this was about, I don't know, 15 euros, about $16. So yeah, it's a third-party solar cap. And as I mentioned, I bought two other things which I'm gonna show you in a second. Not in a second, I'm gonna show you right now. So some other stuff I bought before I bought the lens are these two things. This is the small rig cold shoe handle. You put it on your, I don't know, it's a hot shoe or cold shoe, I'll never know the difference. I'm an amateur, I'm not a professional, just sharing my experiences with you. So you can hold it like this, your camera like this. You can turn it around as well, so it faces the other way. I'll show you. This is way better for your camera balance. So this is really for filming. The second thing I bought was this smartphone adapter. As you can see, there are lots of cold shoes. There's one here, there's one on top, there's one here, and there's two on the side right here. So you can put that anywhere you want. If I put it here, I can film my my screen, put it on top. You can see what I'm shooting pictures of. So I put your smartphone right here if you want to use it as a, I don't know, an external monitor or something. But yeah, for today we're going to shoot with the new lens I bought, the NIKKOR Z mount DX50 to 250. That's an equivalent for the full frame of 75 to 375. So let's take this baby for a spin. I will put you on my chest, because this is again a POV type video. So let's go. All right, you good? Let's go. So I'm just going to show you what I'm shooting with. So I always shoot in manual mode. Always give you a tip. It's the best way to learn how to take pictures or photos. I don't know what I should call it. Pictures, photos, whatever. So learn to shoot in manual. So I'm shooting AFC continuous, autofocus continuous. Quality is JPEG. Normally I would shoot in RAW, but JPEG fine is a little bit bigger in file size than normal and basic, but I'm using JPEG. My electronic VR is in sports mode, which is, this is the normal one. I don't know the difference, but I use sport. Especially for this lens you need a lot of stability. Let's go for a walk then. Let's go. I will put the pictures on screen or the photos on screen as I take them. Chuck. There. Hope I can see some Reebok. There are some in the woods. I've seen 2 of them a couple of weeks ago. I hope to see them again. I started out this video, or the second take. It's the same spot as my first POV video I've put on YouTube. Go ahead and watch it if you didn't see it. But I will go in another direction. I always love this spot. Let's see. Okay, so you see the big tree over there. It's about, I don't know, 150 feet away. So let's zoom in all the way. Now I'm at 100. 135. 200. It's a little bit dark. You see, the VR is doing its thing. It's still hard. Oh yeah, little branch in focus. So that was at 200 millimeters. Let's continue. I just saw somebody walking over there behind the bend, and I smell weed. So he's smoking something. Oh yeah, look at that building. That's a fake Reebok. No, it's like a deer. I think it's a deer. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. Right there. I don't know if I can get down there. I guess not. This is gonna be hard. Let's see if I dial up the shutter speed. Dial up the ISO, 250, 320. I need more shutter speed. This is 250 millimeters. Pretty good. Looks good, eh? I really want a shot of that building over there. This looks swampy. Nope. Not gonna do that. It's too much water. Bad idea. That was a bad idea. My wife is not going to be happy when I get home. So, how are you doing today? Everything good? Plans for the holidays? Holiday season? This looks pretty good too. Let's try this. Ooh. So 1/80th, ISO 320, f5.6. Let's focus on that tree over there. Ooh. So I'm using the back button focus. If you want to learn about it, there's enough YouTube videos about it. So I don't focus with the button, half press down. I set the camera to focus when I press this button. Yeah, good enough. I'm by the local river that runs through my hometown. Let's take a quick look and see if we can get some shots over there, maybe from some ducks. Let's go through here. Whoop. Squeeze through. Yeah, so here we are. That's the railroad. This looks like a nice shot. Let's see. So this is at 50 millimeters. And let's zoom all the way in. 250. Let's take him. Yeah, pretty good. I got the guy on the bike in focus. Oop. Look, he's still tracking. Whoa. That was like, I don't know, 250 feet. You can't hide from me, dude. He's even focusing on his face. The power of the XP7. Oh, he lost it. Whack! I got him. If you consider to buy this lens, keep in mind that this is normal. I don't know if you heard it, but there's something rattling inside it, and I looked it up on Reddit, and people say it's normal. It's the VR, the internal VR, that's loose, but that's normal. I don't know why that's normal. It bothered me the first time. It's pretty light as well. It's like, what was it, 400 grams? Because it's all plastic. It's plasticky. Yeah. I bought this one on Black Friday for 277 euros. That's about $290 or something, maybe more, I don't know. The normal price is like $350. Oh, those are called water chickens. Where are they? Oh, there. Yeah, got him. Whew. As I mentioned, I'm not a professional photographer. I do this as a hobby. All the gear I use in my videos is bought by myself from my well-earned money. None of this is sponsored whatsoever. Let's get that out of the way. Legal stuff. Maybe in the future, when my channel hits it off, I can spend money I earn from YouTube on my camera gear. Maybe do a sponsored review someday. I'm thinking it's going to be raining soon. If you look at those clouds, dear God, please don't. But this is typically Belgium. You can never predict the weather 100%. Well, for 90% it's raining. I hope you're enjoying the walk. If you want more of these videos, please give me a like, maybe subscribe. I'm still learning, sharing my experiences with you. I want to do like an aperture test shot. What if I focus on one of these trees and see what the bokeh is like? Put this one on 50. Focus on that one. Okay, I'm at 5.6. Let's go a little bit lower. 4.5. I can't get any lower. So still at 50 millimeters. Okay, let's take it to 200. This is 200. Oh yeah, now I can see the bokeh. Always pressing the wrong button. Let's see. Pretty nice. So we've tested that. Pretty good, in my opinion. I don't know what you think. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite lens? What's your camera body like? What you use? You like wildlife photography, street photography, nature photography, landscape photography, portrait photography, and so on and so on. I was thinking about going into street photography. I did some of it in the past, but I live in a small town, not much to do. It's more for when you're like in a city, a touristic city. Is favorable because there is a lot of people taking pictures, so you can blend in. Well, hi, my name is Peter from the channel Life in Pixels. I named my channel Life in Pixels. I don't know why, because life is pixels when you look through a camera. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos about photography. I will keep testing stuff for you. If you have any suggestions, you can tell me about it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.